Alright, here we are in Seabrook, New Hampshire, doing about 1,250 square foot concrete driveway. As you can see, 2 feet on center, 1/2 inch rebar tied everywhere. They also have dowels, inserted dowels, pre-inserted in the pour we just did this morning. You can see a little water main pipe in the center there, that's not a blemish. Nice broom, gonna bleach out real nice. Got a good size driveway, which was gravel before, and the customer was really tired of the gravel getting all over the road, all over their front porch, and all over their tires, and all over the interior of the house. So here it is. Second pour in the morning. Tie in this little 20-foot piece, apron, and then we're going to be putting pavers on the rest of it to the street here. That's what Seabrook wants. Next.